Today, in this content, I want to inform you a story about 3D printed house. Designed by Mensakorte, an architecture firm in Germany, built with autonomous printing machine capable of working day and night. This model is the most innovative and intricate 3D printed house to date. A Dutch couple have become Europe's first tenant of a fully 3D printed house. The first completed home of 5-4 project milestone and the city of the Eidhoven, Netherlands. The single-story house was inspired by the shape of the boulder, and its dimension and shapes would be difficult and expensive to construct using traditional methods. It is the first legally habitable and commercially rented property where the load-bearing walls have been made using a 3D printed nozzle. The printer makes the layer of the concrete into walls following a design. The method is seen as a way to cut cost and environmental damage by reducing cement use.